Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I hope you're having a great day. I've got a mystery bag from a new cosmetic company, or new to me, and it is called Stargems Cosmetics, and they're from Madison, Wisconsin, it says. And I heard about them from James TBL which is the best loaf MUA. And he has a discount code, and I was able to use that to save $7.50 on a $50 mystery bag. And I'm very excited to see what's in here. They make a lot of glitters and things like that, so I really have no idea what's in here. But supposedly if you got the $50 bag, there was a blush that you could get. That was a special blush or something, from what I heard, but we will find out for sure. And there is a lot of stuff in here. And let's see what we get for $50 or $42.50 or whatever it was. Okay, we get this, which is in a plastic bag. Oh, it looks like it's coming apart. The top wobbling. And this is Diamond Set Setting Spray, Citrus. Hopefully that just goes right back on. It does. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice spray. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so we get a little setting spray. Oh, I've got a note. It says, "Oh my goodness, thank you, and thank you for supporting me and James. I hope you love these products. With hugs, Stargems Cosmetics." So that's cool to get a little personalized note. And let me look at the invoice. And she also emailed me, the company owner emailed me to thank me for my purchase. And I got, it's called the Orion's box, the mystery weights Orion's box, $50. And then, like I said, I had a good discount code. And here's a card for Stargems Cosmetics. Glitters, pigments, lipsticks, setting sprays, and more. Oh, I just pulled this out. I got two things. And this is an eyeliner. It says Asteria eyeliner. And I'll put this with my, and it sounds like I need to shake it up when I use it. I'll put it with my other eyeliners to give it a good go. So we got an eyeliner and a setting spray and a little beauty blender, which is awesome. I can always use another beauty blender, and it came in this nice little organza bag. And this is a Stargems Cosmetics sticker, which is cute. And Rainbow Ruckus, it says Rainbow Ruckus Stargems, another sticker that's holographic. We like stickers. And then in here, ooh, got 3 colors in here. This is Pomona, and it is a neon orange. Wow. I have some bright colors, but I don't know if I have that neon. And then this looks like, this doesn't have a name on it. Looks like a glittery black. I'm gonna guess that these are pigments. And then Aphrodite, which is a hot pink that matches the lid. All right, I'll put those back in their little bag for now. Oh, I got a set of brushes, which is very nice. I will probably put these in a giveaway because I have so many sets of brushes. It's insane, but they're beautiful. Look at those handles. I love the colors. So a set of brushes. And then I have this in here. Oh, it's Louie. What's up, Lulu? This chair is so torn up from Louie climbing on it. And this has like a little crown around it and like a little gem top. That's sweet. And it says Moonlit Glow Highlighter and Shooting Star. And there's a little seal on it. And it's a powder highlighter. It looks really cool. I'm gonna put the lid back on. I just dipped my finger in it. I don't really use powder highlighter that much, but maybe for, wow, that is blinding. It's almost as good as what I'm wearing, which is very impressive. I'm a highlighter snob, and that is beautiful. I'll definitely use that for some eye looks. I'll put it with my highlighters. Well, keep it over here with everything else right now. And then there's one more bag in here. And let's see. I guess I'm not getting the blush that James said you got when you got when you got the skin setting powder in rose quartz. And it is very pretty. It's very soft. Ooh, looks nice. It's got kind of a little glow to it. I don't know how much any of these things cost, so I don't know what the value of the bag is. And then I've got the Moonstone setting powder. Oh, this is much lighter. And let's do that right there. And it's got a shimmer to it also. I don't know that I'm going to be using some shimmery setting powders, but they're cool. So for $50, wipe my fingers off. Those are nice and shimmery. Yeah, those are shimmery setting powders. I got 2 setting powders. I got a very nice size, large powder highlight. I got 3 pigments. I got a set of brushes. I got a sponge. And I got a setting spray. So this seems like a good array of items. Like I said, I don't know what the value is, but this is what I got for just a little less than $50. So I'll have to give some of these things a try. I think it's a good value, but I don't really know for sure. But I hope that you've enjoyed my unboxing of this mystery bag from Stargems. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon. Like, comment, and subscribe.